Apothecary, and this is a place where I teach you how to craft simple and beautiful things using herbs, flowers, essential oils and natural products. And today we are going to make a skin calming salt blend for your bath. So it contains salts and dried flowers, and some of the things that we'll be adding is Himalayan salt, Epsom salts, magnesium salts, and the flowers that we're using today are peppermint, chamomile and meadowsweet. And some other tools that you will need are a bowl or a pitcher of some sort, a spoon, and something that's very handy, which I would highly recommend for you to get, is a little cotton bag. So it's best to actually pour the finished salt product into the bag before you have a bath, and then all of the salt and the dried flowers won't get blocked in your drain. So you keep it all in here and then you pop it in your bath just like a tea bag. And that kind of keeps everything nice and clean, and you won't have to do a lot of cleaning. So that's really handy as well. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of magnesium salt flakes. These can help soothe sore muscles and soothe stress in the body. Then a tablespoon of Epsom salts, which can help soothe sore muscles and skin irritations. And then 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan coarse grain salt. This can help draw out toxins and improve blood flow. This is a great combination to start off your bath soak bag. Now we're going to add half a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers. This can help soothe irritations in the skin. It can be nourishing and moisturizing as well. And the aromatherapy of chamomile is very calming. These are the dried flowers here. Now we're going to add half a tablespoon of meadowsweet. Meadowsweet can be anti-inflammatory and it can be a great relaxation from general aches in the body. It has quite a herby smell to it as well. Then we're going to add half a tablespoon of dried peppermint. This can help soothe inflamed skin, and the aromatherapy can reduce stress and battle mental fog. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of oats, which can help to be anti-inflammatory to the skin. Please use your common sense before making this and don't add anything you're allergic to. Ugh, so pretty. And now you can carefully spoon your bath soak into your cotton bag. So the recipe that I gave you is enough to fill 1 little cotton bag, and that is for 1 bath. You can double or triple the batch and have some left over on the side, so you don't have to make whole individual bags every time you choose to have a bath. And there's also the oats in there as well, which is very soothing to the skin as well. I forgot to mention that in the intro. I hope you have a fun time making this little sachet of bath soaks. Please let me know how you go with it, and if you really liked it, I'd love to hear some more suggestions on things that you would like me to create. Thank you for watching the Natura Emporium Home Apothecary, and if you want to see any more DIY videos, then please subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!